Alright, I'm going to be replacing all my lenses here up front. If you watched my last video, I did the rear tail lights, license plate lights. So today we're going to do the two new corner lamps, a new headlight assembly, and the new turn signals assemblies on the front here. These are all just the original from 1995. I'm sorry, this is a 95 truck. So they're all just hazy, and these are actually yellow looking. The new ones are clear. Let me see if I can grab one here, just give you an example here. Here's how much clear, where those look so yellowish and hazy. So give me just a few minutes here. Looks like a pretty easy job. There's just a like a bolt. Once you pop the hood, you just like a couple, like I think there's 4 across the top. I think there's one back here in the grill. Then you're able to pull the grill forward and replace all the lights pretty quickly. So give me just a few minutes here and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so here's the finished product. I replaced both corner lamps, the turn signal, the headlight itself, both sides. I mean, to the average person, you may not even notice it, but the little things in the end is what makes a vehicle really stand out and look good. I'll put a link to the lenses in the description below, but I think total was like 95 bucks. So also I have LED switchback bulbs in both turn signals. So when you turn your parking lights on, they're white. When you hit the turn signal or the hazard, they blink orange, which actually looks pretty cool. LED head or low beams and LED high beams. They're super bright at night, which that's what I like. I just like to be able to see really good when I'm driving in the evening. I'm trying to think what else. I did get the wheels and tires finally mounted and balanced. Got the new tonneau cover last weekend. I did replace both tail lights. Same thing, they were just old and hazy. And I got the LED license plate lights, the tinted license plate frame. Next on the list is a new bumper for it. See, obviously you can see the rust spots on the bumper. But other than that, it's just coming along and it's cleaning up, and for an old 95 truck, it don't look too bad. Runs great, everything works. Everything's all original, everything's in excellent condition. No rips, tears, nothing. No wear or tear. CD player works, radio, everything. Just trying to keep it in pretty much original condition, original look. And when I picked out the wheels, I wanted something older, retro style, that not really wanting a modern look. These are Eagle alloy wheels, something you could have bought back in the 90s from like Sears or a tire shop. But hopefully you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.